Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Mark.
And I'm Kenda.
And we're
Nomads Worldwide.
A retired couple in our early 50s that are slow traveling Southeast Asia on a budget.
Today, we wanted to check out Nuanu, the creative city. It's set to be one of the biggest attractions in Bali, and we wanted to see what all that talk was about. Now, it's located about 35 miles from us on some not so great roads, but that's Bali for you. But we were up for the challenge. Stick around until the end, and we'll give you our honest opinions and see if it broke our budget.
Let's go.
So what exactly is Nuanu Creative City? Well, it was created by Sergey Solonin as a sustainable, community-focused city of the future, inspired by the Balinese philosophy of Tri Hita Karana, which emphasizes harmony between humans, nature, and spirituality. It serves as a hub for creativity, education, culture, and innovative development, aiming to provide an integrated ecosystem for forward-thinking individuals while respecting Bali's traditions and environment. This project shares core values with the Burning Man Festival. Now, it's nestled on Bali's southwest coast. This city is poised to become one of Indonesia's premier tourist attractions. It sits on 110 acres with 70% of the land preserved as green space, designed to develop in harmony with the island's unique heritage and environment, not at its expense. One of their commitments is to tree planting and efforts to recycle waste. All over the area, you'll find recycling and compost bins. Definitely an unusual sight for Bali. All of the vehicles used on this property are battery operated, so no gas is used. As you can see, there's a lot of construction underway and is still a work in progress.
Our first stop and main attraction, in our opinions, is Luna Beach Club. General admission was $16.50 per person, but this includes entrance to the entire city as well as a drink and a super plush towel. Package deals are available if you plan on partying all day. We chose to pay as we went, and surprisingly, drinks weren't too expensive. Still cheaper than the US. You could have a quick bite to eat or get a culinary experience at table 369.
Daybeds and sofas can be purchased and are scattered throughout the property. They range in price, but there is free seating available as well. There are 2 pools and multiple bars. Our favorite spot was the Utopia Cave Club, which was adults only after 1 p.m., and they have a water slide. They have an infinity pool that overlooks the ocean, a swim-up bar, and a live DJ. If fun is on your agenda, definitely check it out. Oh boy. All right, folks, here we go. Old lady going down a water slide. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. I'm inside the Utopia Cave Club at Luna Beach Club. I got my espresso coconut delight. Let's try it, see how it is. That is tasty, and check out those views.
Earth Sentinels by Daniel Popper are 2 giants meant to be guardians of planet Earth that are situated at the entrance of Nuanu. The giant guardians have trees growing out of their shoulders and necks, and Popper has even added pots and actual trees at their base, so that as the trees and surrounding nature grow, the piece will become one with nature, and to see them at night is unworldly.
Right now, Bali is hosting its first ever international art fair, bringing together the most outstanding Indonesian artists and talents from around the globe. It's designed for everyone from art lovers and collectors to families and curious visitors. It offers a day filled with beauty, music, and creative energy. With the inaugural theme, Bridging Dichotomies, the fair invites works that move between different ways of seeing: old and new, handmade and digital, human and machine. It doesn't aim to resolve these contrasts, but to explore how they coexist. The fair was only going on for the weekend, so we were lucky to be able to see it. The venue will be hosting many more like it in the future.
The Magic Garden is an immersive green space dedicated to preserving Bali's biodiversity. It features over 400 rare and exotic plants, an orchard garden, as well as a biota lab. But its main feature is the Butterfly Garden, a protected sanctuary for native butterflies which are crucial for Bali's ecosystem.
Lodging is available on site and ranges in price. And if you've got the kiddos along, don't you worry. They even have an interactive park for them to keep them busy. And of course, in Nuanu style, there is an art installation to show you exactly where to go. Aurora Media Park. Let's go.
Oh, I think that was... Our next stop, the Aurora Media Park, is a 1-kilometer riverside path that is interesting during the day. It features 8 interactive art installations that combine light, art, and technology for a transformative journey. It's a must-see for all visitors. But for the true experience, it really comes alive at night.
Attention. Dance with me.
So those were the highlights of our day. What did you guys think? I thought it was a really cool spot. Now, I'm not much of an artsy person, so a lot of it just wasn't for me, but I do appreciate the work that goes into it. I did love the media park at night. It felt like a dream world. And the best part for me, of course, was the beach club.
I agree. For me, it was a bit underwhelming during the day. The nightlights didn't disappoint. It made the trip worth it. I don't know what we missed, if anything, but I'm sure as it grows, there will be a lot more to see. I recommend, if you're going to make a day out of it, do Luna Beach Club as well. Overall, if you're looking for something out of the norm in Bali, it still makes for a fun day or night adventure.
Yeah, so did a day here break our bank? Now that depends on what you choose to do. For us, we spent $160 for the day. Definitely not wallet friendly, but you have to allow yourself to have fun even on a budget.
Is this a place you would explore? What was your favorite part? Drop us a comment below. We love hearing from you. Stay tuned for our next video. We're moving over to Uluwatu. We will give you our first month budget breakdown. How did we do?
Now, as always, guys, keep inking.
Keep exploring.
And we'll catch you on the next one.